Hey guys, today's video we start in a garbage bin. We just threw away, see I don't videotape everything, blood-filled needle and another needle. On this house, last occupant was Desiree Bird. Desiree Bird is pregnant. We got needles we threw away out of the yard. But that's not unusual, right? Desiree Bird? And your sister-in-law. Oh God, doesn't matter. Okay, so we'll start with a drug bag. And the outside of the house is littered with tinfoil from fentanyl. Littered. Like it's all. So we came, secured the place, boarded it up. Fentanyl, tinfoil, like it's out here like Christmas decorations. So we boarded up the house and moved Desiree Bird out. House is all boarded up. So we found a crack pipe in the yard, needle bag, a couple of needles. Typical, right? For a pregnant gal in this day and age. Condom on the counter. Fentanyl shit in the cupboards. There's no copper in this house, so somebody was stealing copper somewhere else. Here's the ultrasound of the little zygote. And, needle shit. Stove's barely used. Doesn't really matter. Oh, tripping over copper. Fridge, pregnant girl, no food. Smoke detector gone. Retards. So, yeah. Garbage. Oh, what do we got here? Crack pipe over there. I see it. I see something here too. Another needle. That's what you need on your sleeping bed is easy reach of a crack pipe by your pillow. Desiree Bird, right? Your sister. Yeah. So, floor is littered with frickin' drug bags and a torch lighter. Nope, another crack lighter. Yeah, Desiree Bird. What else we got going on here? Knives and Hooter bottles. Oh, Noxprone kit. Have to have that because you're pregnant. You wouldn't want to kill you and the baby with your fucking drugs, right? Fentanyl and shit you're banging or whatever. Oh, it's so disgusting. I don't even know what would be in this mattress to clean up. I don't know. Anyways, typical our house rules. Dion Bird. I don't know who that people's are. Everybody's got different names here. Everybody thinks they're somebody else. This is typical. Crack pipes. Welcome to the new age. Pregnant and Fenty. Everybody's in on the game. No one cares.